Hi everybody, my name is Verna Mullen. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I'm located in Western New York State, outside a little town called Canisteo. And I love to share paper crafting and card making. I have my own paper crafting business called stampinnotes.com, and you may be thinking, oh, what do I have? What could I have for you? You might think I'm not very creative. How can I put something together? Well, I have just a great idea for you and just a great little kit for you. We have wonderful kits where all the creativity is done, and it's all in a box. You order it, it comes to your door, and voila, you can put it together and give someone a homemade card. So I'm going to turn the phone down. We're going to take a look at a kit I've already put together, and we're also going to take a look at what's in a new kit. So if you get car sick, hang on a minute. We're going to go down, and I'm just going to turn my phone. Okay, and I'm going to check my computers here and see how we're lined up. And let mute the sound. Okay, looks like we're lined up pretty good. So, this was called, I think, To a Wild Rose, this little kit. And it came with these, you get to put together 9 beautiful cards. All of this is in the kit with beautiful directions that show you how to put it together. And also has a little box, like a gift box, if you wanted to give it to someone as a gift. And it was $19.99, and it included everything: the ink, the stamp block, all the tags, all these little decorative dots, the baker's twine. So, and it's just a beautiful quality paper, and I love the images on it. Also, it has decorative envelopes. They are right here. And aren't they pretty? So, and you can even stamp on the front of the envelopes if you want to. So let's look at a new kit. And this one, it comes in a box like this. And see if I can get it open. Let's look at what's inside. And this kit is called No Matter the Weather. Here's the stamps. It has different sentiments. I love you. No matter the weather, we're in this together. Wishing you a better days ahead. You are capable of amazing things. There's some clouds and a heart. This looks like little raindrops. So we've got that. We've got our little inks. These are small pads. They're called Stampin' Spots. And then we have the kit itself. It's wrapped nicely. There is a block in the kits that are $19.95 in case, or $19.99 in case you don't have your own block. And there's some other kits that are $12.95 or $12.99, and they won't have the block in it, but they have everything else. So these are little adhesive dots. Here's the twine. These are called dimensionals, and these are little sticky foam pads. They're sticky on both sides, so you can pop something up and give it dimension. And then let's take a look at our paper products here. Okay, so these are parts of cards that would be used. I love this one with the boots, the girl with the boots. Here's our envelopes. Oh, they're pretty. There's like a peach color and a green and a yellow. And here's our cardstock. It's all cut and scored for us, ready to create. And in here also will be some directions. Here's the tags. So let's do one card. It'll give you an idea of how these kits work. And here's little other cutouts that you can use on your cards. And the directions will tell us what cards they go with. So I'm going to set this up here over to the side. I'm going to grab the directions. The directions are on the back side of our chipboard here. Okay, so it shows on the front the 3 different cards that are in this, and there's 3 of each, so you make 9 cards. And could you just, they're beautiful. And this is card 1. Here's card 2. It tells you step by step what to do. Card 3. And then on the back, there's more information for card 1, 2, and 3. It shows all the parts for each one. So I'm going to go ahead and let's do one of card 1. And we need a pair of boots. So we're going to get these. And they just pull out. We need a bunny rabbit. We'll get the bunny rabbit. And we've got some twine. We'll cut a small heart. We'll lay these right there. One thing about Stampin' Up! Is all of their products are color coordinated. Their ink, their paper, if there's a basic gray ink, there's a basic gray paper. It makes it really nice to interchange and use all the different products together. So this is saying ink up this image. So I'm going to take the cover off here and I'm going to pull that image up. These are called photopolymer stamps. They're clear stamps. I'm just going to lay that down and put my block on it like that. And they're saying stamp this image on the bottom of this particular artistic piece. It's the one without the grass. And I'm looking for it right now. Here it is. Okay. So I'm going to, instead of using this little one, I'm saving this. I have my big stamp pad that is the same color. It's basic gray. And I'm just going to take it, and you can ink it this way, or you can take this and lightly tap that way. And you can see I'm just very lightly tapping. And we're going to add a little bit of texture like sand here. I'm going to carry it over like that. Okay. So that's done. Number 2, they're saying, they're saying add the boots and the rabbit and the heart. And they're saying put dimensionals on them like that. These bigger circles are the dimensionals. This little one is an adhesive dot. And you can wipe your stamp off with a baby wipe, or Stampin' Up! Has some other products, a wet paper towel. All right, so we're going to grab our boots. And I was going to say, what did I do with them? Okay. And you have a picture here to look at too. Okay, so the boots are going to go kind of to the right. And I'm going to grab my sheet of dimensionals and put them on like this. They have about 9 different kits. And if you spend $50 right now, you can get a free product. Stampin' Up! Is having their celebration, which means you get to, for every $50 that you purchase in product before shipping and tax, you get to pick something free from the celebration catalog. And I'll show you that little catalog. It is right here. And there's all kinds of beautiful products in here. And I will put a link below in this post so that if you order, you will be able to look and see. If you don't have one of these catalogs or Stampin' Up! Catalog, if you order some kits, you will be able to look in here and see what free product you want. You can look online. All right, so we've got that there. We're going to put our bunny on, and we need some dimensionals on our bunny. See how the dimensionals make the boots pop up a little bit? All right, our bunny's going to go right here, and we need our little heart. And we need our adhesive dot. So this just, if you don't have one of these, you can get it off with your finger. Whoops. And that will stick on the back of there. And then this little top part too will come off. This little piece. Like that. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put that there. All right, let's see what our directions say to do next. All right, we've got that done. We're going to stamp Let Love Grow on this pink tag. Now, you could stamp something different. You don't have to stamp Let Love Grow. But we'll go ahead and do what they're saying to do. Here's my tag. And I'm gonna wipe this off. Take this off here and find Let Love Grow on here. And sometimes it's easier to pick these photopolymer stamps up if you put it down like this and pick it up like that. Okay, so I'm inking up my stamp. I'm gonna stamp it right on there like that. It says Let Love Grow. I'm gonna add a couple of dimensionals to the back so it sits popped up on the card. Like that. And I'm going to have a kit class by Zoom, and that will be at 6:30 on September 22nd, 21. So if you purchase kits from me, and you want to be a part of that class, that will be a lot of fun. You can email me at vernastamps@gmail.com and I will sign you up for that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bow on the side here. And I'm just tying a bow like this. If you don't like to do bows, you could even just wrap it around the tag. You wouldn't have to do a bow. And I'm going to put it on there with an adhesive dot. You could even use 2 adhesive dots if you wanted to. I'm having trouble getting that off there. Okay. We're going to put that on there like that. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to trim off my ends here. And then I think this just goes on our card base. I think that's done. Yep. We use the adhesive dots to put that on the card base, and they're saying to put some sequins on it. So we'll get the card base. I'm folding that, and I'm just going to take my bone folder and break those fibers down a little more. We'll get our adhesive dots on the back of this. And we will be all set with a beautiful card. Just like that. So I will put a link below if you would like to buy some kits. Links so you can look at them in my online store. They're great gift items for Christmas or birthdays. They're great for children that like to put them together. My grandchildren love to do them. And if you didn't want to use the adhesive dots, you could use glue, a thin amount of glue, or a tape runner. I'm just using these because it happens to be what I have right here with this kit. Tape runners work good. Stampin' Up! Does have their own tape runners. Now tomorrow I will be posting about basic stamping supplies. More about how to stamp. Okay, so when you want to center this on here, let's see, I think that looks centered. And there you have it. Isn't that darling? So this kit is called No Matter the Weather. And oh, we forgot our jewels. Let's get our jewels on there. What did I do with them? Here they are. It looks like a little bit of raindrops, clear acrylic raindrops. I'm having trouble getting that. Okay, we'll put one there. One there. Let's try it this way. There we go. Easier. Much easier. All right. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.